Hello. In previous video, I demonstrated how to use the Toronet payment gateway to make interactive payments. In that scenario, the developer initiates a payment after the user who is interacting with the device shows an interest in making a payment. So the payment initialize will initialize the payment and send the payer to the gateway to make the payment. In that scenario, when a virtual wallet is used, the user makes the payment and the virtual wallet balance is checked and the transaction is immediately recognized and recorded for the user. Now, it turns out that there is another use case which is now being supported, which is one in which the virtual wallet is similar to like in embedded finance, where the user actually has an account that they can provide. And the use case for that is, for instance, if a user wishes to provide their wallet for, say, like an employer to make payments to them, or for any payer to make a non-interactive payment, which means the user has a virtual wallet, they provide the virtual wallet to some other party, they do not know or control the timing of when the other party will make the payment. Right. In that scenario, there's now three steps, which is separate from the payment initialized. The first step is just to generate the virtual wallet. The second step is to provide the virtual wallet information to the other party. And then the third step is to update the account at some interval or at some point after the other party might have made the payment. And this is a non-interactive step because if the other party hasn't made a payment, then obviously nothing gets recorded. So we're going to demonstrate all three steps. The first step is to generate a virtual wallet. So that's where I am. I will go ahead and create a brand new address just to use to verify to demonstrate this, right? So let me do that. Okay, so the wallet has been created, and now I will take this wallet and generate a virtual real physical account for it. Okay. So I have a virtual wallet now. So I provide that virtual wallet to some other party to make a payment for me. And let's assume they go ahead and make the payment. This is non-interactive, so I don't know the time that they will make the payment, but it does not matter. This account belongs to this address to me, and whatever transactions or payments come in gets credited into my account. So we're going to return and check if a payment has been made to the account and recognize that payment. Okay, now we're back. Uh, we have solicited and had a payment of 110 be made into this virtual wallet. And now we will go in and confirm that the account is credited. But first, let's um, let's go ahead and make this call. 110 was paid into this account. So let's put the virtual wallet in here. Okay, so now let's see. We will now, by making this call, the process will now look into the virtual wallet and will do the crediting. Now, what this means is this is non-interactive, so it's not as instant as the interactive version. It requires the user or the developer to check the account. And what people normally do with this scenario, and this is similar to how Zeal works, is when the user logs in, the user that owns the virtual account, that's when a developer can make this call so that the virtual account is refreshed and the user can basically see every transaction that has been done or deposit that has been done into the account. And in addition, a refresh button can be added so that if the user is currently online and they believe that someone has made a payment into the virtual wallet, they can click on the refresh and it will update whatever additional new transactions have been made into their virtual wallet. So we do see that transaction. And now we will go check on the Explorer. Let's grab the address. Okay, so this is the original address, and we will go on the Explorer just to check. I'm going to put that address here. Yes, so we see 1,000 Toroneras was deposited into this account. It should actually also show up on the home page. So that's it.